Hi guys, I'm back. I'm Jackie. This is just a quick one. I just wanted to talk about money. Money is one of the most important things in life, and yet we don't get taught about it. Okay? I'd say society is very cruel. Okay? They choose what we should learn in school. We learn mathematics, we learn English, history, geography, all of that. A lot of things that some of them we do use in life, very few, but not the necessities, but not the very important things. And one of the most important things is money. We don't get taught about money management, you know, how to earn money, all of that. So it's up to us to teach our children. We didn't learn it. We'd have to learn the hard way. That is why most of the world is poverty ridden and maybe in the median, kind of. And just a very few people are very rich. And that's how society is made to be. They don't want everybody to be rich. They want that kind of control over life. So the best way is to teach our own children how to manage money and teach them while they're young. Most Asians would take their children, let's say people who have shops, mostly from the Asian origin, they put their children in their shops. They're teaching them. They're learning how to manage money. And when they get older, they either have their own shops or they take over those shops and they gain wealth and the wealth carries on. So they're learning money management, how to attain money while they're young. We need to start learning. We need to start doing that. Start involving children in things to do with money when they're young so that they can manage that themselves. They can do better. They can attain wealth. And then they can pass that very same thing on to their children so that we can change this cycle of poverty and bring in something different. Change our lives. But it all starts with things like that. Whatever you learn, whatever great thing that you have that you can pass on to your children, especially to do with money, teach them. Whatever business that you know how to do, show them the way. Even if they don't do that, they have attained something massive, something great, something big that they could never get from school. So that is our responsibility as parents to pass on to our children. Just to make our lives better, to make their lives better, and then they can pass on to their children, and their lives will be better and easier. So thank you so much for listening. Thank you so much for watching. I've been Jackie.